In this set of examples, we're going to be looking at how we can calculate logarithm values using our calculators. The first one of these wouldn't actually be too bad. You could actually plug this into your calculator just as you see it. But this one, not so much. And so we actually have a formula, a little calculation that we can do that allows our calculators to be able to do any of these calculations. It's called the change of base formula. And this is it. Make sure you have it down into your notes. And it says that if I want to calculate log base b of y, I'm going to just do log of y divided by log of b. Notice that the base always goes on the bottom of that fraction. If you keep that part straight, it's going to help you out a lot. So if I go and take a look at actually calculating those, for this first one, log 50, remember if I don't write the base in, like we've done in this particular case, the base is assumed to be 10. Your calculator can do this one. Your calculator actually has just a log button. And so in your calculator, you would type in log 50. Now, if you're on a graphing calculator where like when you press the log button, you see log come up on your screen, type it in that order. Press the log button, type in 50, and then press enter. If you're on a scientific calculator where when you press log, it doesn't come up with log on your screen, it just comes up with a number or an error, then what you want to do instead is you want to type in the 50 first and then press the log button after that. Now, if you do that correctly, you should be getting an answer of about 1.69897. It's a big long decimal. I'm going to go ahead and just round that to say the 100th place. So I'm going to go ahead and call that 1.70. And again, that one worked out nicely because I actually have a log button on my calculator that just let me do log of 50 as I saw it there. But my calculator does not have a log base 2 button. And so instead, I'm going to have to use this change of base formula up here. So I'm going to start by doing log of 512 divided by log of 2. And if all goes well, this one should give you a nice pretty little whole number of 9. All right, on to the next problem. In this one, we're going to have to do the change of base formula once again. So we're going to do log of 96 divided by log of 8. And that gives me about 2.1949875 and a whole bunch more decimals. And again, I'm going to round that to just 2 decimal places. So that's going to be 2.194. Yes, I know there's a 9 after the 4, but that doesn't change the fact that it's a 4. So it's just going to stay at 2.19. And then we can head into our final problem off of this, where we're going to be doing log base 1.1 of 4. Now, it's actually amazingly often how often your bases are going to be decimals like this. So get comfortable with it, especially because the process is just the same as it was with the whole numbers above it. We're going to do log of the number first, divided by log of the base. Now, when we do that calculation, we should be getting an answer here of about 14.54508. I'm going to round that to 55.